I'm John Hollway. I'm the Executive Director of the Quattrone Center for the Fair Administration of Justice at Penn Law. The Quattrone Center was conceived of as a research and policy hub, a place that would bring together all of the participants in the criminal justice system and match them with researchers and scientists of a wide range of backgrounds to really look under the covers of the criminal justice system and identify data-driven best practices that we can use to reduce the number of mistakes that are made and ensure the fair administration of justice. Ideally, what we all aspire to is a system where we almost don't need an appellate system because mistakes aren't being made. We're arresting the right person, we're trying the right person, and we're convicting the right person of the right crime every time. We're humans and it's a complex system, so that may not be attainable, but certainly that's the aspiration of the Quattrone Center. It's a much more varied and less blame-focused approach to figuring out where mistakes are being made to ensure that in this complex system where there's lots of different actors participating all the time, we have the right procedures in place right from the beginning of where somebody joins the criminal justice system to ensure that by the time we get to a trial, everybody has the information they need to ensure that justice is done. Housing the Quattrone Center for the Fair Administration of Justice at Penn Law provides us with a lot of natural benefits and advantages that are going to really help us as we implement our research and policy recommendations. Because we're an academic institution, our emphasis is not on any political agenda or particular bias. It's solely about generating data that will make the system more accurate. That's something that I think all members of the criminal justice system can unite around, and it should enable us to foster an environment of open and honest dialogue about what we can do better in the criminal justice system that I really don't think can be done in any other setting. The great thing about being here at Penn specifically is that not only, when I walk out of my office, not only do I have access to a host of world-renowned legal scholars, but in the 4-block radius around the law school, I have access to interdisciplinary researchers that are world-class across the board. So whether those people are involved in medicine or forensic science or psychology or social work, focused on recidivism or sentencing policies, focused on criminology and police work, communications, economics, public policy, the various schools of the university have world-class experts in all of those disciplines, and by bringing those people and their technologies and their abilities together with prosecutors, defense attorneys, judges, and policymakers, there's a real opportunity for rapid change here that I think is simply not available in other places.